na riu mwiroreri ni riakinya ihinda ringi riria tugukorwo tukinengereria mwaro Ken Maina nake atumenyithie uria ciana cia atumia ciatinda ikigarika miharo-ini.
Na nijitekeria gutwara iharo-ini imwe kwa imwe gutariki imwe mweri wa mbere mwaka wa 2019 thobui wa Gakibena Wanjiru wa Gatugu kumenyithia mara mathina mbere kuhaniki huku bururi na ati muthenya wa ira mugathe Uhuru Muigai wa Kenyatta na yuri kanya gake ukorwa kigathiriria kana agituma ndumiriri cia congratulations kuri athaki na makoretwo makihe bururi wa Kenya igweta muno athaki kana ahanyuki matongoretwo ni Eliud Kipchoge urakorwo gitugwo ngerenwa ya male IAAF award na oho arakorwo agifunja record thino mathako mathia na mbere guthako kure mwena wa London. Eliud Kipchoge ni umwe wa athaki ara makoretwo megatu kana megatu muno mwaka ucio wa 2018 ugithii na mbere ugithii na mbere guthira na president akwa kiuga ni makoretwo agikawega na mako makionania kindu gitagwo discipline na bururi wa Kenya ugakorwo kionania talents ciao na njira ya mwanya to muthako-ini wa mahenya kiuga ginya muthako-ini wa rugby na muthako-ini wa boxing. Bururi wa Kenya ni ukoretwo gikawega no ho akauga ati ginya timu ya bururi ya mufira wa maguru Harambee Stars thoko magikualify thini wa gushon cia Africa Cup of Nations handu-ini ha thutha wa miaka 14 president akwa kiuga ni mekite wega muno reke tuigwe mĩario yake muthenya wa ira mbere ya tumite ndumiriri cia Happy New Year. Nemo mwaka wa 2019 tufatie gukorwo tu very focused thini wa maundu mothe ginya mundu megie mahenya nake tuyo guko mahenya ni ati muthaki witagwo Bedan Karoki ol muthaki kana ne muhanyuki akoragwo kihanyuka mahenya na rabandikithirio hotani mwaka wa 2016 thini World Half Marathon na giko kinyukia ngerenwa ya silver kana itwika silver medalist mwaka wa 2016 augite ati focus nende yake muno mwaka wa 2019 ni gukorwo kiandikithio hotani thini mathako mako magithina mbere kule mwena wa Tokyo marathon mako magithakiro kure mwena wa Japan kuma mweri wa gatatu mwaka uyu turi 2017 muthaki witagwo Bedan Karoki ariki na baitha thini wa London na marathon na agakiuga ati mwaka uyu aukorwo agitigania kwa kinukia ngerenwa ya dhahabu. Karoki arakorwo akindikithia kana akirikia na dakika 28 minutes 22 seconds thini mathako mari kure mwena wa Commonwealth Games no akiuga mwaka wa Tokyo kana mwaka wa 2019 kure mwena wa Tokyo marathon aida ukorwo agitukia hihi Eliud Kipchoge na akorwo akiandikithia record.
Fellow Kenyans, we have every reason to be proud of being Kenyans. In 2018, we continue to show the world that we are one of the most talented peoples on earth. We and the world watched in amazement as Eliud Kipchoge again extended the bounds of human effort in the marathon. Other Kenyan men and women broke world records. We celebrated this year our Harambee Stars' success, qualifying for the Africa Cup of Nations in 2019, the first time in 15 years that Kenya will be participating in this competition. What all these sportsmen and women have in common is talent, but also discipline and perseverance.
Tukiugukira mwena-ini wa good ni ati Floyd Mayweather muthenya wa ira ni akorirwo akihota muthaki wa kuma bururi wa Japan uri ni Japanese kickboxer phenomenon na etagwo Tenshinoko Nasukawa na arakorwo akimotana kindu gitagwo technical knockout ni etagwo TKO handu-ini ha ndagika 2 muthaki witagwo Floyd Mayweather ririkana arakoretwo auma kindu gitagwo retirement na arakorwo agicungiririo kana akigucirio kwenda uko agithaka na muthaki uyu ni kickboxer ni thaka ginya muthako wa mahenya no kiama kira kiruga muthako uyu wa boxing ni kirakoretwo kiruta mukana ku muthaki witagwo Nasukawa ukorwo ndagakorwo akihuthira maguru ona handu ona hamu. Muthaki uyu arakorirwo akiguithio maita matatu thini wa first round ni muthaki witagwo Mayweather na kuga ati Mayweather bado ari unbeaten thini wa ngucanio ici cia ngundi na uguo riri rita ria keri ria muthaki ukorwo agicokio thini wa ring thutha wake ukorwo akianira retirement yake arakorwo akihota muthaki ucio wa kuma bururi wa Japan. Mixed martial arts urikane mwaka muhituku wa 2017 kwa ni last year but one muthaki witagwo Floyd Mayweather wa kuma bururi wa United States ni ahotire the mixed martial arts witagwo Conor McGregor na guo mwaka wa 2018 although wa retirement yake arakorwo akihota muthaki ucio wa kuma bururi wa Japan uria ni kickboxer na riu kugurana mihwira thi na mbere hihi ati ya gukorwa githaka na muthaki wa kuma bururi wa Russia witagwo Habib Nurmagomedov. Habib Nurmagomedov aya gukorwa githaka na muthaki witagwo Floyd Money Mayweather.
Nasser Thomas doing everything he possibly can, and Mayweather drops him again. The speed of Money Mayweather. Nasser Thomas having an extreme in his corner, has thrown in the towel. This fight hasn't even gone.
He came out right away attacking, right away stopping, right away.
Fucked them up.
From the very beginning, he was the far superior boxer. There's no way to
Kirafu kia West Ham moekaine wega muno ta the Hammers matongoragio ni coach witagwo Manuel Pellegrini ni marikitie kugura muthaki wa nathakira kirafu kia Arsenal na nathakira kirafu kia Manchester City na wakuma bururi wa Faraja witagwo Samir Nasri. One midfielder anakorwo githakira kirafu kia Manchester City na muthaki uro no kurwa miaka 31 wakuma bururi wa Faraja. Kora gituika ati au korwa githakira kirafu kia West Ham United duthake ukorwo nja kuma tariki 31 mweri wa Januari kuria rakoretwo huritwo bana kana kurogamio guthaka mubira handu-ini ha mieri 18. Nasri akoretwo agisavu bani ya mieri 18 duthake ukorwo akionekana ni kiama kia anti-doping agencies ati ni akoretwo akiuthira dawa cia kuongerera misuri. Anathakira kirafu kia Manchester City na anathaka hindi ya rugu kana anathakire kirafu kia Manchester City rugu rwa coaches uratongore kirafu kia West Ham wakahinda gakawitagwo Manuel Pellegrini no kuma coaches wa kirafu kia Manchester City wakahinda gakawitagwo Pep Guardiola oya wathani wa kirafu kia the City Noisemakers metagwo Manchester City. Samir Nasri de danakro agithaka na kirafu kia West Ham tugite kia toko ikimogera ginya kandarathi ya mwaka umwe ukorwa githakira kirafu kia West Ham United na gakiuga ati ni akenete muno ukorwa gicokereria thiini wa the best and the toughest competitive leagues in the world ne witagwo English Premier League. Twakioka ati ni ukorwa gikawega muno erugurwo Manuel Pellegrini kirafu kia West Ham United.
Looking forward to be back on the pitch and doing what I love the most. So really happy that West Ham and Manuel Pellegrini give me that chance to be playing again. But the thing that convinced me to be joining West Ham is that first of all I know the manager really well. We won the league together, and I'm really passionate about my job. So I know the team, I know the quality, and for me West Ham is a team with a lot of quality. It's an
Now neho gukogi kujira mweka wako wa kisporti huwaini wa umuthi gwitariki mweri wa Januari mwaka wa 2019 kuma gukomitabu ina Gikuyu TV ya kwaritwa ni Ken Maina almaarufu the boxer gugutigana miario ya ritio ni the fourth and the current president of the Republic of Kenya Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta arauga huwai wa gukia umuthi kana huwai wa iraruga we will never get an opportunity to break the world records in athletics, boxing, rugby, ona kana mathako-ini mubira-ini wa maguru ni gwitagwo football, but we can display the discipline and the perseverance that will allow our talent to flower. Eyo ni miario ya the fourth and the current president of the Republic of Kenya Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta. Akili ni nywele.
We'll never get the opportunity to break a world record in athletics or to play professional rugby and be in boxing championship fights. But we can all display the discipline and perseverance that will allow our talents to...
Nigatho the boxer kana Ken Maina ni undu wa gutuhariria riboti cigie uria iharo-ini gwatinda na ni kumana na riboti yo tugwikirira gaturumo ka mutamburuko wa mohoro ma thaa imwe haha tukorwo tukinyitana nawe wona ciehanda mutamburuko wa mohoro ma thaa ithatu koguo ndugakorwo ukienyenya mitambo ria kwanga kuririkania o ringi ni Wanjiru wa Ngata na nie ngetika Wambui wa Gakibe.